Hello everyone. Today we will add the drive sprocket here on the drive shaft. So first of all we remove we hide all part, as you can see, to make to make it easy to rotate or like that. If your laptop is have a low performance, so you need to hide the component, the maximum components you have to hide to move it on your design easiest. So we will go now to toolbox. We choose ISO, power transmission, and this file of sprocket. There is other model, this for conveyor, and this the same the normal sprocket, this sample, this double, this triple. So we will use this one. We just drag it here, okay, like that. Here automatic he choose the last configuration, because I tried before this, so he saved the last configuration. Let's also check again. Here, see, this is the size of the chain. This is 12B. I choose it 12B. Here you can change it by, for example, 10. See, it already changed it. You can also make it bigger than 16. See, in our case we will use 12B. 1 means one teeth. If we find here 2, it means 2 teeth. This is the number of the teeth. It's 22. You can also, for example, change it. See, it's 33. We come back to 22. Here the type, see, here have 3 type. This is type I. Type I, it's only the teeth. There is nothing bottom or on other side. No. If we choose B, he will add you a bushing. See, this is why for the key we need this bushing for the key. So here you can change the diameter. Here we can write, for example, 50. See, it's changed. So we'll keep it 75. Okay, this is here the total large. If we change it, for example, this one for 70, see how it will be changed. I see more large. And this depends of your shaft. Here we have only 50, so we'll keep it 50. It's also enough. Here for the key, see, this is one for the key. This without this key one, if you choose this rectangular 2, he will add you another key. It means you have 2 key here. So we need here only 1. We keep it as it is, and we save it. Here no need another one. So here we add some mate. Here we have coaxial. We'll reverse. Okay. This is contact with this. Okay. Now we'll make also the key. This side, it's with this face, and that's it. See, it's very simple. Here now you add this sprocket, everything is okay. That's it, guys, for this lesson. We learned already how to change the configuration of a sprocket, how to add it. You can also here choose, if you work with inches, you can choose inches also. See, you can find it here, no problem. You can use also other, this PM metric scale. This is for bearing. Any catalog you need it. Okay. Thank you for watching. We save it. It's okay.